And we're back mga kada. Ngayon, National Women's Month, hindi lang natin sineselebrate ang lakas at tagumpay ng mga kababaihan. Pinapaalala rin natin na kahalagahan ng kanilang kaligtasan sa lahat ng mga aspeto ng buhay. Kabilang na ang pakikipag-date or pag may crush ka sa isang tao.
Yes. Sa panahon ng dating apps, retro culture, at organic encounters, paano na ba mas sisiguro ang kaligtasan? Ano ang mga red flags na dapat bantayan?
At paano natin mapapalakas ang loob ng mga kababaihan na pumili hindi lang, maraming matatamaan dito ng pagmamahal, kung hindi ng seguridad at respeto.
Yes, at sa lahat ng mga katanungan na yan ay pag-uusapan natin ngayong umaga kasama ang ating love expert and dating coach. Walang iba kundi si Coach V!
Coach V!
Magandang umaga, kada umaga.
Alam mo, miss ka namin.
Oh, I miss you too. It's so nice. You know what mga kada, kung ikaw yung nandito, tapos napapagitnaan ka ng magagandang babae, feeling mo ang ganda-ganda mo din.
Maganda
ka talaga.
Ikaw talaga.
At magaganda lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin kasi it's Women's Month.
Totoo yun. Sa panahon ng online dating, social media, tapos may crush pa, na minsan na-verbalize. Anong pinaka-common safety risks na kinakaharap ng mga kababaihan?
Ayan, bago natin sagutin yan, my love, gusto ko lang i-share that, you know what, science have shown na whatever people see from authorities, they will think it's normal. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? Kapag ang mga leaders and authorities natin ay nagpapakita na, for example, ang catcalling or ang pag-o-objectify sa mga babae ay normal, people tend to copy that. It's
Totoo
called
yun.
social modeling. So, pag nakita nila, ay, yung leader namin ang iinsulto ng babae, baka sa dating, normal lang manginsulto ng babae.
Di ba kasi dati, iba din naman yung kung paano nag-handle ng dating or crushes or if you like someone, you're not just like looking at them online. You have to really go to their family, talk to their mom, talk to their parents. And you're not telling everybody about it.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Correct. At kung i-compare natin sa dating nung mga panahon nang wala pang mga dating apps, when we talk about women on TV, on newspaper, it's also more respectful. Hindi natin ganun ngayon kasi medyo normal yung mga nakabikini na online, di ba?
Correct.
So I feel like there were more respects na parang mas parang perlas ng silanganan ng mga babae dati. So when we talk about them, we talk about them highly. So yun din kinakopy ng mga tao na yung mga normal beings. So when we're talking about risk, for me, one of the risks, besides the obvious, the physical risks na nakikipag-meet ka sa hindi mo kilala, but the unseen risk right now is kapag ang objectification ng babae ay magiging normalized. Bakit?
Yun nga.
Kapag na-normalize ang objectification ng babae, ibig sabihin, the man feels na entitled sila sa katawan mo at sa pagkababae mo. Yan ang nakakatakot.
Yes.
In
That is
addition to
scary.
that, Coach V, diba, dito sa Pilipinas, we still kind of live in a patriarchal society na the man is the leader of the house.
True.
Correct.
So, as women, as empowered Filipinas din, ano naman yung magiging response namin sa catcalling, sa
Oo nga, no?
objectification?
Lalo dumarami yung mga ganyan ngayon.
Very, very good question, my love. So, ito yung tatandaan natin mga kada. When somebody makes a joke that is below the belt about women, do not laugh. Unang-una,
Yes.
that's true. Unang-una, wag mong susuportahan. Wag kang magpapakita na kahit nakakatawa, as long as it's an insult or objectification of women, do not laugh. Because sometimes, kapag tayo mismo tumawa, iisipin ng nagsabi, nakakatawa,
okay.
sinabi ko, lusot, that it's okay.
Totoo
You are
yun.
right.
Okay.
So that's number 1. Number 2, speak up. Ibig sabihin, if it makes you feel uncomfortable, kahit feminine baby girl ka, you have to tell them that
That is too
remark made me
much.
feel that's
Yes.
too much. That remark made me feel uncomfortable. Hindi maganda pakinggan yan, sir.
Yes.
Totoo
You have
yun.
to say
And
that.
fellow girls too, diba? Like,
Fellow
if you're
girls
next to your
too.
friend, like, don't talk about my friend like that.
Correct.
Very good. Very good.
True, true.
So that's the second. So again, first step is do not laugh, do not support
Yes.
because sometimes ang ginagawa nila, dinadaan nila sa joke thinking na, wala kang humor, di ba?
Oo nga. Bakit ganun?
But
Yan
it's-
ba yung uso dati?
Because they...
Kasi naiinis ako sa kanila. Lalo na pag wala kang bosses. Gusto mo lang silang, kung pwede, igagano.
Bakit
Basta yun.
dinadaan sa joke? Because sometimes it's a form of masking. Para hindi ako magmukhang misogynist, gagawin ko, idadaan ko sa joke. Para kunwari, light lang. Pero mapapansin mo naman yung joke na matalino sa joke na nakaka-insulto.
Totoo yun.
Yes. But
If it-
what,
Go ahead, my
sorry,
love.
because like in terms of being in uncomfortable situations, and then of course you want to stand up for yourself. But minsan, there's people who have a hard time being confrontational. So what are some ways that you can suggest that they can still assert their boundaries without being super
Confrontational.
Yeah,
Yeah.
confrontational.
This is good because it covers different personalities of women. Sometimes kasi, as women, we think about our safety. We don't want to be confrontational because there's a possibility when we become confrontational, the more we put ourselves at risk. Diba nga? Kaya yung iba
Yes.
nangyayari. So yung
Totoo.
step 1 natin kanina, do not laugh. Step 2, if you can, if you have the courage, call it out. But if you can't, what you do is you have to eliminate access. Anong ibig sabihin nun?
Okay. So-
Unang-una, you do not show any reaction and you do not show up in the same circle na nandun yung person. Diba? So wala kasi tayo, hindi natin makokontrol yung another human being.
Uy, nagawa ko na yun one time. Can I share?
Ano? Yes,
Go
go
ahead.
ahead.
Sana kaya ng boses ko. Ganito.
Kaya mo yan.
Meron akong kilala na gano'n na lahat ng buong Pilipinas alam nila yun. Kung sino yung taong yan. Tapos na-try niya during pandemic. I was trying to sell my condo. So someone invited me, uy, mayaman si Chu. Hindi ko masasabi ng pangalan. We're not name dropping here. This is Kada Umago. We'll respect them. Pero I'll give you an example. As someone who doesn't confront anyone, you know me, kahit strong channeling ako, hindi ako confrontational, di ba? So ngayon, I was selling a property and I needed money because it was pandemic and I had no work. So I offered that on the table. Tapos siya yung may-ari ng bar na yan or restaurant. And then may kasama siya iba mga nasa position din. Okay? Sabi niya, wag mo na ibenta sa akin. Jowain mo na lang ako. Ako na bahala sa'yo.
Grabe.
The moment he said that on the table,
What
ang
did he
ginawa,
do?
inaway ko siya. I couldn't hold myself. Sabi ko, I can't say it here kasi nagmura talaga po ako. Sa harap ng ibang tao. Tapos sabi ko, alam mo, kilala ko din yung ano mo. Hindi ako ganyan. I work for myself. Alam mo, sabi niya sa akin, kawawa ka. You will end up poor kasi you're not marrying someone like me. And that's it. Pero after that,
What did you do?
sumunod sila sa sasakyan ko kasi nakita nilang galit na galit talaga ako.
Nag-walk out ka.
Nag-walk out
Tama
ako.
yun.
Ginanon ko yung table. Inaway ko yung mga, Anyway, I burned my bridges but I had to kasi nga, that was too much. And it was on the spot. So I did it. And I was so proud of myself afterwards. And ito pa yung maganda. Bumalik sila, yung buong group para mag-sorry.
Ayun.
That's very nice. That's very nice.
So it
at
it is
least.
effective if you actually react on the spot.
Yes. Yes.
Kaya.
And you can react in a way that you speak out. And also, by removing yourself from the situation, that is already a reaction. Yung walking out, that is okay. Ibig sabihin, it's a non-verbal way of communicating to them, I am not comfortable with what you just said.
Correct.
I'm just gonna remove myself. So step 3, you have to remove yourself.
Totoo yun.
So, paano naman siya, coach? Kasi meron din akong mga nakikita na there are other women also na tinetolerate din yung mga insults or mga
Correct.
jokes ng other lalaki. May napagsabihan na nga din ako before na parang masyado nakikisakay, nakikiride sa humor ng lalaki. Hindi na napapansin na it's us women na yung pinagtatawanan.
Totoo yun.
So, when I confronted the girl, parang ako pa yung kinalaban. So, I had to, ako na yung umiwas. Ano ba yung mga advice mo sa ganyan, coach? Na parang other babae din yung nag-a-approve or oo.
Actually, to be very honest, mas mabilis i-confront kasi yung mga lalaki about this because they are, kumbaga, they are not part of us as women. Ang mahirap i-confront yung fellow babae.
Actually.
Kasi pwede kang sabihan ng, ang sensitive mo naman, wala lang naman yan sa akin, di ba?
Sensitive ako.
Eh di ikaw hindi sensitive. Ganyan. So that is really, really hard when it's your fellow women. So for me, my suggestion would be, I would like talk to her and tell her, you know what? You may be used to this, pero ako hindi.
Yes.
At iba na yung panahon ngayon.
Yes, you just
Dati.
tell them, baka sanay ka sa ganyan, pero for me, that's a disrespect. And I think
Yes.
it's fair na kung para sa'yo, walang tama, sa akin masakit. And
Yes.
that needs to be recognized.
Also, if you're tolerating it, then parang you're disrespecting not only your friends in your circle, but also all of the women who are
And yourself.
constantly trying to
Yourself.
empower others, right?
You know,
you're
and
setting,
yourself.
Yes.
you're setting no boundaries.
Correct. And
You're
you-
letting them know
you're
that it's
just like
okay.
that.
Yes.
Like the one of you guys. Parang ganon.
Correct.
What
And
are the unang red flags na makikita natin? Sorry, red flags. Boses ko hindi lumalabas. Anong unang
So-
red flags na makikita natin na dapat bantayan?
Oo, number one, lalo na sa mga nakikipag-date dyan, kahit kausap nyo pa lang sa messaging app and dating app, kapag ang mga first message niyan talks about sexuality and your body parts, that's already no-go. For example, first message sa'yo, oh, you have a sexy legs. Parang, kuya, hindi mo ba nabasa yung bio ko na pinag-effortan ko ng 3 hours para batiin mo lang yung legs? Diba? That's one. And I remember, I've also experienced being like having negative references like that. So you know what I tell the person? I tell them, would you tell your mom that? Would you tell your sister that? That's basically just questioning. I didn't say anything. I just asked them a
True.
question.
Yes.
Pero
I love
nasisink
that.
in, nagigets nila na,
I love that.
oo nga, foul yung sinabi ko. So just return the question back to them.
I love that.
Yes.
Last na lang, girl.
In terms of like dating apps naman, just a quick question because I feel like people that go on dating apps, sige, like medyo romanticize habang nag-converse sila with the person.
Yes.
But there's an insinuation na kasi all around the world. If you go on dating apps, you're looking for something.
Something
That's
specific.
Totoo
not
yun.
romantic and respectful.
Yes.
So how, in that conversation pa lang, before you meet up with them, will you let them know, I am here on a serious note?
You know what? I do believe online or in person, you already communicate something before you even speak. Ano ibig sabihin yan? In person is the way that you move, the way that you dress, and the way that you carry yourself. Online, it's the quality and the pictures that you upload that will tell the person, ay, ano to, di ba? Pwedeng conservative, pwedeng naghahanap ng asawa, pwedeng naghahanap ng overnight. Also, the bio that you put. So my suggestion is, make sure that yes, you are a free woman, you are a modern woman. Kung nasa beach ka, mag-swimsuit. Pero hindi yung naka-swimsuit ka sa loob ng kwarto. Yun ang nakakaano. So make sure that you are clothing appropriate. You can be sexy when it's appropriate. You can be balot when it's appropriate. Kasi dun pa lang, the people who's looking at your profile will tell, pang short term or pang long term.
Totoo yun, no?
But what if, kasi sorry, last question, last comment. Kasi interesting that we
Jazz.
brought up the clothing. Kasi for example, if I do a pageant, for sure I have different photo shoots and they have different pegs. And minsan, one peg, for example, will be more like bikini.
Yeah.
And then, so online I have this type of impression, but then in person, hindi yun naman ako ganyan.
Correct.
So like,
That's your job.
yeah, so, but at the same time, I have no problem because, again, like you said, we are free women. So how can you really decipher what's empowering, but then also where to really stick to your true self?
You know what, my love? I'm not very particular with clothing because sometimes clothing is a form of self-expression. Like for example, for me, never mo ko makikitang balot. Bakit? Wala akong leeg and I love my skin. I want to show that. I want to show the morena
Love your skin.
Yes.
But here's the thing. I do believe in, first, body language, body movement, and how you carry yourself. Halatang halata sa babae ang educated and decente gumalaw
Totoo yun.
compared sa babae who's all over the place.
Yes.
So that's just what I'm gonna say. More than the
Yes.
clothing, it's how you carry
you
yourself
carry
as a woman.
yourself. Yes.
Wow, that's very nice. Thank you so much, Coach V. Ang daming baon natin yan para sa ating mga
Bitin,
kada.
diba?
At sobrang bitin. Kaya kailangan ka nila i-follow. Saan ka ba nila pwede contact online?
Yes, my love, Matchmaker Philippines on Instagram at Vanessa Antonio on Facebook. And syempre dito sa Kada Umaga, every Thursday, dito lang sa Share KU.
Yes.
Thank you so much again, Coach B. At mga kada, lalo na sa mga kababaihan na nanonood ngayon, ang empowerment ay hindi lang po personal choice, isa itong collective integrity. Kapag ang isang babae ay natutong mag-set ng boundaries, nagbibigay siya ng lakas sa iba na gawin din ito. Women empowerment!
That's
Yes,
right.
let's go.
Respecting women is not optional, mga
Yes.
kada. It's basic human decency. At sa bawat babaeng, pinipiling maging matatag, maging maingat, at dahil kayo ang tunay, kayo ang tunay na mukha ng empowerment, katulad ni Coach V.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.